Hey everybody, welcome to IaCConf 2026. This is our second annual IaCConf, and really excited to welcome just about 3,000 of you who have signed up for today's event. And again, thankful for all the support, the feedback that you've had on different IaCConf events that brought us to today. My name is Gareth Kersey. I'm one of the organizers here at IaCConf, and I'm joined here by a few co-hosts and staff who are helping. First off is Kyler. Please say hello, Kyler.
Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the second annual. It's going to be a thing. We can feel it. Year of IaCConf. We're very excited to have you here. There's AI everywhere in our talks and in the internet, and we have a lot of hosts that are going to come and tell you all about it. Can't wait. Thanks for coming.
Thanks, Kyler. And Kyler is the host of Day 2 DevOps with Ned Bellavance. We also got staff and support who have really made this event possible. Gabriella, Caitlin, and Rob. I'm sure you've met some of them on the speaker side. You'll see them in the Q&A sessions. They're doing a lot of moderation behind the scenes. So again, thanks to all the staff and support that makes this event possible. So this year's theme, keeping pace. Application development and probably your operations roles, incident response look quite a bit different today than they did in IaCConf 2025. The surge of AI has made everyone a builder, everyone has an idea, and that actually has changed a lot of the environments that we're all operating in.
The gap between having an idea and implementing that idea is now so tiny. We're starting to see so much code get generated by all of your software engineers and all of your infrastructure engineers. And hey, marketing and human relations are in there too for some reason. So we're generating so much code. And I have seen, I think Corey Quinn mentioned this on the internet, we're generating vulnerabilities at an unprecedented rate. How exciting. So we'll see how we can mitigate some of the bad stuff of AI while still enabling your developers to keep your business competitive, hopefully.
And we've got a great speaker lineup this year between some technical deep dives and demos, some frameworks that people are going to introduce, as well as a couple panel discussions. Again, all these speakers have come through our call for presenters submission platform and rallied around this theme of keeping pace. Some real quick housekeeping logistics on using this platform. So this platform is called Goldcast. It's what we've used last year and a few other virtual events. Up along the top, you'll see some navigation. So the stage is what you're in now. We've got two tracks. We've got the main stage, and then we've got a few sessions on this builder stage, which focus a bit more on technical deep dives. But we're not always running two tracks, so just keep that in mind when you're navigating through those three different tracks. The agenda, you can navigate there to see what's coming up, add some events to your calendar if they're later in the day and you don't want to miss it. And you can also go to the speakers tab to see who all the speakers are, navigate to the LinkedIn, make some connections. On the right-hand side, you'll see chat and Q&A. You'll also see in some sessions a docs reference. So in the chat, there's both a session and public subnav. The public one persists throughout the conference. So if you want to have chats going across different sessions, that's what the public chat is for. The session one is, as it implies, chat that's specific to that session. So if you want to have questions, you can add them there and we'll upgrade them to the Q&A, or you can actually navigate to that Q&A tab and drop some questions right in there. A good note on the Q&A, we're going to be prioritizing audience Q&A based on upvotes. So if you see some questions that you really want answered, add an upvote. That's how our staff is going to know how to prioritize and ask the speaker some of those questions. And again, the docs link, which you'll see in some sessions, that's where it has reference, links to GitHub repositories and things like that. So keep an eye out for what's coming up in those sessions. So with that, we're going to wrap up here in 30 seconds. Corey Quinn is our keynote speaker, and that's going to start in 25 seconds. So I hope you all enjoy the conference. You might get a little hold music as we end this in between sessions. Thank you all for attending and hope you enjoy the day.